This one I'm super excited for, as is my wife. Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this Granite 16 by 12 Black Galaxy cutting board. This thing is gonna look beautiful. Let's open it up and show you what I mean. So inside of here, nice little company logo there. Look at that. Oh my God. It is heavy. Whoa. All right. Nothing else in the box. You've got a few feet here on the bottom to help it stick, but a beautiful, absolutely beautiful Black Galaxy cutting board. I mean, look at this thing. Look at the reflection in it. Man, I love this, as will my wife. This is the Black Galaxy cutting board. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you what you get. Highly recommend, as this is a beautiful piece of granite to make a beautiful cutting board. Very nice. Thank you all for watching this unboxing of this 16 by 12 Black Galaxy granite cutting board. We'll see you in the next unboxing, and thanks again to the company for this beautiful item. Deuces.